PAYTCO Credit Union Pure Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you're searching for a credit card that is simple, straightforward, and focused on helping you build or rebuild credit, the PAYTCO Credit Union Pure Credit Card might have caught your eye. But is it really worth applying for in 2025? Or should you skip it? In this video, we're going to break it all down, from features and benefits to fees, rewards, and real-world usability. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of whether this card deserves a spot in your wallet. Let's start with the basics. The PAYTCO Pure Credit Card is offered by PAYTCO Credit Union, a member-owned financial cooperative that has been around for decades. This card is designed primarily for individuals who are building or rebuilding credit, but it's also useful for anyone who prefers a no-frills, low-cost credit option without worrying about confusing rewards programs. The first thing most people get wrong is assuming that all credit-building cards are high-cost or difficult to manage. The PAYTCO Pure is different, and here's why. Eligibility is straightforward, but there are a few caveats. You must be a member of PAYTCO Credit Union to apply for this card. Membership typically requires living or working in certain areas in California or having an immediate family member who is already a member. Once you meet that requirement, the application process is relatively simple. Unlike many credit cards for building credit, the PAYTCO Pure doesn't require a high credit score, making it accessible for first-time cardholders or those recovering from past financial difficulties. One of the most important aspects of the PAYTCO Pure Credit Card is its interest rates. In 2025, the card offers a competitive variable APR for purchases and balance transfers compared to other secured or credit-building cards. While the exact rate depends on your creditworthiness at the time of approval, it is generally lower than the rates you'll find on many traditional unsecured credit-building cards. This can make a significant difference if you're planning to carry a balance or need a card for emergencies. Speaking of emergencies, the PAYTCO Pure Credit Card is known for its low fees. There's no annual fee, which is a huge plus for anyone focused on rebuilding credit. Some credit-building cards can charge annual fees of $50, $75 or more, which can slow your progress. Additionally, PAYTCO keeps foreign transaction fees minimal, making it suitable for occasional travel abroad or online purchases from international merchants. Most people overlook these small fees, but over time, they can add up significantly. Another benefit is the card's credit-building focus. PAYTCO reports your payment history to all three major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. This is essential for building a strong credit profile. Timely payments with this card can improve your credit score steadily, which is exactly what you want if you're trying to qualify for better rates on loans, mortgages, or other credit cards in the future. Many cards claim to help with credit, but not all report to all three bureaus, which limits their effectiveness. Now, let's talk about the card's user experience. PAYTCO offers a robust online and mobile banking platform, making it easy to manage your credit card. You can check balances, view statements, pay bills, set up autopay, and even monitor your credit score. One of the surprising truths about credit-building cards is that cardholders often neglect monitoring their accounts, which can lead to missed payments or unexpected fees. PAYTCO's tools make staying on top of your finances straightforward. Rewards are minimal with the PAYTCO Pure Credit Card. This is by design. The card isn't meant to compete with cashback or travel rewards cards. Instead, it focuses on simplicity and cost efficiency. If you're someone who values rewards points or cashback on every purchase, this may not be the card for you. But if your priority is credit building, lower fees, and simplicity, the lack of rewards actually becomes a positive, reducing complexity and potential confusion. Let's address the topic of credit limits. For new cardholders, the PAYTCO Pure Credit Card typically starts with a modest credit limit. This is normal for credit-building cards. The key is to use your card responsibly by keeping your utilization low, ideally below 30% of your available credit. High utilization can hurt your credit score, even if you make timely payments. Over time, PAYTCO may increase your credit limit based on your responsible use, further helping your credit profile and purchasing flexibility. Another feature worth noting is balance transfers. In 2025, PAYTCO allows balance transfers on this card, but they are subject to approval and fees. For many first-time cardholders, balance transfers aren't a primary concern, but for those managing multiple accounts, this can be a useful tool to consolidate debt. Just keep in mind that balance transfer rates may differ from purchase rates, so understanding the terms before transferring is crucial. Security is another critical factor. PAYTCO employs advanced encryption and monitoring to protect your account. Additionally, The card includes standard protections such as zero liability fraud protection. This means if your card is lost, stolen, or used fraudulently, you won't be held responsible for unauthorized charges. Security features like these are essential, especially for newer cardholders who may be unfamiliar with credit card safety best practices. Customer service is also noteworthy. PaidCo provides support through phone, secure messaging, and in person at branches. Many credit unions excel in customer service compared to large banks, offering more personalized attention. If you run into issues, whether it's a lost card, payment questions, or disputes, having accessible support can make a significant difference. Now, let's discuss common pitfalls. While the PaidCo Pure credit card is excellent for credit building, it requires disciplined use. Late payments, high utilization, or ignoring statements can negate the benefits. Many people get this wrong, thinking that simply having the card will improve their score. In reality, it's responsible management, timely payments, low balances, and consistent use that drives credit improvement. Another potential downside is limited perks beyond basic credit building and security. For example, there's no concierge service, travel insurance, or luxury benefits that you might find with premium cards. However, for its intended purpose, these extras are unnecessary and could even be considered superfluous. Fees beyond the annual fee are minimal, but you should still be aware of cash advance fees and APR. Cash advances are not recommended unless it's an emergency, as they typically carry high interest rates and no grace period. Always plan your spending to avoid these charges. To summarize the PaidCo Pure credit card in 2025, it's a low-cost, straightforward option designed for building or rebuilding credit. No annual fee, reasonable APR, robust credit bureau reporting, and solid security make it an excellent choice for disciplined users. It's not for reward seekers or luxury benefits, but for those focused on credit health. It's a strong contender. In conclusion, is the PaidCo Credit Union Pure credit card worth it? Absolutely, if your main goal is to build or rebuild credit responsibly. Its simplicity, low fees, and credit reporting make it an effective tool for improving your financial profile. On the other hand, if you're looking for rewards, high limits, or premium perks, you may want to explore other cards. The surprising truth is that sometimes, the most effective card isn't flashy, it's the one that helps you manage credit responsibly, which is exactly what the PaidCo Pure does. Most people get this wrong by applying for flashy cards without considering their credit building potential. By choosing a card like the PaidCo Pure and using it wisely, you can steadily improve your credit score, access better financial opportunities, and set yourself up for long-term financial success. Remember, the key is consistent, responsible use. Make timely payments, keep your balances low, monitor your credit, and take advantage of the tools PaidCo provides. If you do that, this card is more than just a piece of plastic, it's a stepping stone toward better credit and financial freedom.